all funding and the capacity for us as a state government to have embarked on this very audacious expense transaction was made possible by no other person than Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, who about a year and a half ago, in his usual understanding of what the subnationals are doing and appreciating under his renewed hope agenda, whilst we have seen the effect of subsidy removal, whilst they've explained to us that we're going to seek alternative around CNGs that will be running on buses, that you see CNGs on cars, you see electric vehicles coming up as alternative to removal of subsidy. Mr. President also deemed it fit, and we're extremely very grateful. We've expressed it before, to have supported us financially extensively in the procurement of this additional rolling stock.